Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I, of course, am your friendly host, Scarlet-Spider. Before we start this video, I just wanted to talk about a couple things. So as you guys may have realized, my most recent web shooters have been specifically targeted at being the most comic book accurate, movie accurate, TV show, game accurate as possible, but they all kind of work the same way. When I made the ultimate web shooters, I actually did that with another person in the community, my boy Spider Slayer. His 3D design was so perfect stylistically and functionally, and it works so well with the cartridge system that I had originally designed. There honestly wasn't a single flaw to his design that I could think of in any way. It worked perfectly. So when that became a real thing and a big thing, I had an idea. Let's go on a journey and let's try and make every single live action, comic book, video game, TV show, cartoon, web shooter that we can possibly make functional and real. And we'll make two versions of that, both a string shooter and a web shooter, as well as provide tutorial videos and a showcase video so that people can see how to make them and how to use them. When they're all made, the plan is to sell the files on Patreon, so that way anybody with a 3D printer can make them themselves. Or we are going to make actual web shooter kits, and these kits will include all the 3D parts, the cartridges, and the valves necessary for you to make your own. Now, this is still a pretty good ways away from happening. We have so much work to do. But as we keep creating these, we'll continue to release the files on Patreon so that you guys can make them. So with all that being said, I just wanted to say thank you for taking the time to listen. Let's get to the video. If you like these time-lapse footage I'm doing, I was actually able to get another sponsor for this awesome SJ action camera. The SJ 4K action camera has a 2-inch display and features Ultra 4K video recording. You can shoot stunning 4K 30 frames per second videos to review your adventures in a crystal clear video quality. With a durable waterproof case, you can also enjoy water sports such as swimming, diving, surfing while capturing your underwater adventures. It also has a built-in Wi-Fi connection with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, provides a seamless connection to your smartphone via the SJ Cam Go app to let you control this action camera from a distance, download, play, and share the videos. I really like this feature because I can check on my 3D prints from virtually anywhere I am on my phone. Check out the link in the description now to get yours. Thank you all so much for watching, and a special thanks to all my Patreons. You guys have really helped out the channel. If you'd like to purchase any of my web shooter files or my STL files, consider checking out my Patreon, because they're all on there. Thank you all again. Comment down below what web shooter that you want to see made next. And this is the Blood Spider, out.